Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is the filter, the end result. So if you like it and want to learn how to make it, keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So this is going to be very in-depth and very slow so that everyone can follow with the process. So first, what you're gonna want to do is, as you can see, Echo Park is at the bottom. Just delete this, we don't need it. And next up, all you have to do, I'm gonna leave it a link in the description. You're gonna take this folder called Kira Files, and you're going to copy it and paste it onto the side. This is all loading. Wait for that to load. Now you're gonna go to the top, click on the plus button, and now select Retouch. This is to just make your skin look smoother, make your teeth whiter if you want in your filter, eyes pop out, eye sharpening, eye whitening, just anything that you feel will fit what you're trying to go for. So now once you have that, click the plus sign and then click on Screen Image. Okay, now once we have Screen Image, you're going to want to double press on the full frame and rename it Edge, just so you know which one that you're working with. So once you have that named, you're going to click down again, click on Screen Image, and now you're going to select Materials, and now you're going to pick Edge Detection. Okay, now that your screen looks like literally my soul, you're gonna click on the fit and then put it to stretch so that it fills out the whole screen. Now again, you're gonna click on the plus sign, add another screen image. Now this one's gonna be named Sparkles, just to be, quirky. Now you're gonna click on screen image, you're gonna select material again, and now you're going to select Graph Empty One. Go to the bottom, and now you're going to do stretch once again so that it fills, and now you have your sparkles. Now for the last time, you're going to click on the plus sign and then select Screen Image again. This time, you're going to name it just Grain. And you're going to click on Textures this time, and you're going to select Grain. Go back again and click on Stretch so that it fills out the screen. And the opacity or the alpha can be whatever you want to make sure you can still see your face. And that concludes part 1. Okay, for the next step, you're going to want to click on the plus sign and select Screen Text. Now, this can be anything you want. I like to do subscribe to and then my Snapchat name so that whoever uses the filter knows to subscribe to my public creator page so that I can keep creating more content. As you can tell, I typed this very slowly. Don't know why. Speed it up. Filters, let's go. And now you're gonna click on font, and it should be the only font that you can select. This is what we took from the Kira files earlier. And now you can just drag it down so that it's not in the way. And next up, we're going to script the behavior so that it goes away once you take the picture. So now you're gonna click on the plus sign and select Helper Script. So once Helper Script is up, you're going to click on Trigger, and then you're going to select Recording Start. So this means the second you start the video, it will go away. Now you're going to click on Allow, and it's going to be once. And now you have to wait for the next part to load. Okay, so now for target, you're going to type in text. So then your screen text that you made, screen text 0, should show up. Click on that. And action is going to be disabled. So now for the filter part or the color, you're going to select the plus sign, go all the way down to color corrections, and then select empty. So now that that's there, you're going to click on textures, and then you're going to select your filter, which I will post a tutorial at the end of the video for. So as you can see it in the preview, but not on the actual lens. So what you're going to do is click on the bottom, just to make sure that everything's blank. Click on plus sign, and then click on camera. So now it's there. And now last but not least, you're going to do a face stretch only if you want to. This is not required for the tutorial. So I like to just make the nose smaller, make the lips bigger, and just adjust the eye a little more to give it that more cat eye effect. Just cinching the chin a little bit so that it's not a horse face. So now you have the whole filter. Stay tuned for the tutorial on the color correction. So you have to go to whatever browser you want, type in Snapchat lookup table, find where it says post effects. Now scroll down until you see where it says download the color correction lookup table, add to photos. Now you need PixArt for this next part. So you select a tester and choose the effect you want. I used bronze. So you click on apply. And now click on adjust and give it any adjustments that you want. I'm just putting random ones down because I already did this part. Okay, so now that you have that, save it just as a reference. And now you're going to want to pick the lookup table. Use recent, and then the same effect you just used. Click on apply. Now go to tools, click on adjust, and give it the same adjustments. I'm just eyeballing it because, again, I already did this. I'm just recording it to show you guys. Okay, now you can save that. This next part, you're going to go in your camera roll, select the lookup table, and email it to yourself. I'm emailing it to my old email. Disclaimer, once you do that process, you're going to want to go to your email and actually save the picture. Once again, I will be taking you through the process. So you're going to click on color correction and then click on empty. Now select texture and select the photo you just saved from your email. And now you have your filter, but you cannot see it yet. So now what you're going to do is minimize everything and click on the gray space so that nothing is selected. Click on plus, then click on camera, and now you can see it. So there you go. I hope you guys really like this tutorial. I will be linking everything you need down below, and bye!